Hey everyone, I'm Scott Sery, the founder of Know to Grow, where I take you from having no idea how to make money without a boss to growing that idea so that you can live life on your terms. I was recently writing a copywriting tip for my LinkedIn audience. I provide a copy or marketing or kind of outside the box idea every Wednesday. So if you aren't connected with me on LinkedIn yet, just go over there and search for my name. As far as I know, I'm the only Scott Sery around. Anyway, this writing tip was all about how to get your readers on board with you. So if you have a product or service and you just throw out a bunch of details about how it works or some specs on the program or what to expect with that 97-hour seminar that you're hosting, your audience is going to glaze over and they're just going to leave. You have to show them exactly how they're going to benefit from it. The concept is similar to what Stephen Covey talks about when he says begin with the end in mind. That Covey concept, however, is more about goal setting and planning and how to achieve your wildest dreams by beginning with an idea of where you want to be at the end of the day or the week or month or your career or whatever it is. So that kind of got me thinking about begin with the end. Now, here's my rough metaphor. Let's suppose you're on a treasure hunt. You're given a clue on how to find the treasure, but that clue only leads you to another clue in a little small piece of a treasure map. Then the next clue leads you to a subsequent clue and another piece, and on it goes until you have the whole map and you can follow that map and find the treasure. How much easier would it be if you began at the end? Instead of that first clue, you're just handed the treasure map and you're told what the treasure chest contained, and now all you have to do is just follow the map and get there. Now think about this with your prospects. Do you want to drip little clues in front of them in hopes that they'll follow every one of them to the treasure at the end? A treasure that they don't even really know what's in it? What if it's a chest full of, ping pong balls? A ping pong enthusiast would love it, but most of us would be like, yay, ping pong. As you're considering how to get your prospects excited about what you have to offer, remember to begin with the end. Show them the wow. Show them what they could have. Show them their perfect world, a world that's only available with your help. Now, I realize we may be getting the cart in front of the horse here. Perhaps you don't even know what the end is yet. And that's where my program, Know to Grow, comes in. You can have an amazing career, one that helps you make money doing something you love to do. And I can help guide you along the right path to figure out that skill or that passion, how to monetize it, and how to find the people that would pay you for your service or your product. All you have to do is sign up for free at www.knowtogrow.com and get on your way to living the life of your dreams.